My name is Heather Loyal Lawrence, and I am a fiercely loyal female. I'm also Derek Lloyd Lawrence's daughter, and I want to tell you a love story. It starts with the he, that would be Derek, and it comes to me, and then with faith and hope, it will extend to we. When I was 4 years old, I walked into my family's kitchen and I saw my mother with an 8-inch blade at my father's neck. Her hand was shaking, he was trembling, and I developed a fierce stare. I willed her to drop that knife, and when she did, my father ran into the living room and I followed him. I put my hand on his shoulder, I looked him in the eye, and I said, "Daddy, it's okay, you can go." And I committed in that moment, not simply to be his caretaker, but to secure a legacy that we could both be proud of. And then I set about the business of doing so. I got a free education to an elite private boarding school. I started 6 schools in New York City public schools. I trained over 150 people to be principals. And yes, I have 2 master's degrees for now. And then my father was murdered. And the wind was completely knocked out of me. Because who was I if I did not matter to him? What was I to do without someone to prove myself to? If I did not choose to be for him, then what was I doing? And I had this moment where the fierce 4-year-old, she showed up and she said to me that choosing to be is not a betrayal, but it is a birth. You could bear a life that is a legacy of love and not simply a cage of commitment to your father. And walking out of that cage, I have made the choice to be me, to be free. It's glorious. It's absolutely glorious. I'm an adjunct professor at Teachers College. I'm a 400-hour yoga instructor, but mostly I am a fiercely loving me. Thank you.